Are simultaneously live dito sa ating live stream. Naka-live din tayo sa ating YouTube channel. So if you wanna check me out, this is Mix D, Mix Derulo po ang ating YouTube channel. Would you go with me? Another country music for you. Alright, by Josh Turner. Napakaganda, napakasigla ng ating hapon kahit mainit. Alright, would you go with me? Woo! You go with me, and if we roll down streets of fire, would you hold on to me tighter as the summer sun gets higher? If we roll Fontana down and never shut it down, would you go with me? And if we lost in fields of clover, would you want me then close until the trip was over? And would it be okay if I didn't go the rain? And if we gave you my hand, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? If I told you my heart couldn't be one minute without you, girl, would you accompany me to the edge of the sea? Let me know if you really agree. Now look so would you go with me? Yan, alam ko medyo kakaiba sa pandinig nyo dahil country music tayo, but feel ko lang mag country music, so pagpasensya nyo na kung hindi nyo nagugustuhan. Alright, country music by Josh Turner. Would you go with me? Would you go with me? And if we roll the clouds together, would you not look down forever? Live your life than the bed. Oh, and if you set me free, oh, would you do it? And if I gave you my head, would you take it and make me the happiest man in the world? If I told you my heart wouldn't be one minute without you, girl, accompany me to the edge of the sea, help me tie up the end of a dream. I gotta know, would you go with me? And I love you so would you go with me? Alright, a wonderful country music for you. Would you go with me? Alright, this is Mix D doing cover song for you. Live po yan. Walang cut, walang edit. Basta nag-cover song tayo. Oh, we are doing country music. Okay, welcome to Bigo Live Philippines. We are live streaming simultaneously sa ating YouTube channel. Ang YouTube channel natin is Mix Derulo, guys. If you want to check me out,